One of the exciting things that we've been all about is challenging and encouraging people to participate in a small group. Sometimes when I present this message, it's like trying to take a drink from a fire hose. It's just a lot of information. But if people will get in a small group, 6 sessions, we have a thing called the building blocks, and if they will sit down with other couples, they begin to realize we're all normal, we're all in this together. And we begin to talk about how do you do this in a practical way? And suddenly you learn from this person and they learn from you, and suddenly we encourage each other. And that small group involvement, we have discovered through our research, brings about an application that can be life-changing and very, very refreshing to every couple who participates. So we want to invite everyone to consider a small group.